In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently process items sequentially by implementing a loop over items node with a batch size setting, allowing for a smooth, controlled workflow in your automation tasks. So let's dive right in. When you're dealing with automation processes, one essential technique is the ability to process multiple items in a sequence. This approach helps in managing and distributing tasks effectively, avoiding overwhelming your resources. A simple yet powerful way to achieve this is by using the Loop Over Items node. This node allows you to handle each item one at a time, making your operations streamlined and organized. Imagine you have a task that involves an AI chain interacting with a Google Sheets node, and you need to ensure that each interaction happens independently and without causing saturation in system requests. This is where our Loop Over Items node comes into play. By setting the batch size, for instance, to process each item individually, you create a controlled environment where each item receives the appropriate amount of attention. To build this loop, start by linking your Loop Over Items node between your AI chain and your Google Sheets node. Think of this setup as a bridge that controls how information flows from one point to another. By inserting this node, you're effectively preparing your project to handle items one by one. Now, a crucial part of adding this loop is to ensure that there's enough time for each item to be processed without overlapping calls. For this reason, you'll want to incorporate a wait node into your loop. By adding a wait node, you're telling the system to pause between each iteration. In our example, we're setting this wait time to 1 second. It might seem like a brief pause, but this interval can be incredibly beneficial in preventing any potential congestion or errors. As the loop progresses, each item is sent through, processed, and then the system pauses momentarily before moving on to the next. This ensures data accuracy and system stability, which are key elements in maintaining a reliable workflow. To recap, by using a loop over items node, you're able to take control over how your tasks are processed sequentially. The process involves three main components: setting the batch size to one item, integrating the loop over items node between your AI chain and Google Sheets, and adding a wait node to introduce a short delay between each step. This method not only optimizes resource utilization, but also enhances the overall efficiency and reliability of your workflow. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has given you a clear understanding of how to implement a loop over items node effectively within your projects. Make sure to try this technique out, and let me know in the comments how it's worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your processes. Until next time, happy automating.